Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let me share with you the best way to use Cash App for small businesses. Alright, so the best way to use Cash App for small businesses is to treat Cash App as a payment tool, not a full accounting system. Start by creating a clear, professional cash tag that reflects your business name, to make payments easy and recognizable for customers. Use Cash App primarily for receiving payments, for refunds, and simple transfers while keeping detailed records elsewhere. Always label transactions with notes so that you can track what each payment is for. Enable security features and keep your account verified to avoid interruptions. You also want to be transparent with customers about accepted payment methods and avoid mixing casual personal transfers with business income. Cash App works best for small, fast transactions such as local sales, services, or just side businesses. When used with discipline and proper record keeping, it can be a convenient and low friction option for small business payments. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, comment, share, and subscribe for more helpful financial insights. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.